So we are going to bring in a little bit of pink. So you can buy florist wire on a roll, which I suggest. And the rolls, I would buy a few rolls for every Christmas I go through it. You'd have to go to a floral supply house to buy the long pieces cut. So when you buy it on the roll, just cut a bunch of pieces, do yourself a favor. You clip it first at the end, secure this first one. Don't cut the string off, and then loop another one. We're gonna do clusters of 3, okay? And we're gonna enhance the end, okay? And I'm gonna just wire it right around. And we'll do a cluster of 3 here. We'll go to the other end, because you always want to have your ends as the anchor of the mantle. I'm no Martha Stewart, but I do love her. But here's the thing, I love to deck out the mantle. I think the tree, and if you have a mantle, are the most important components in decorating your home. And then I also do tablescapes with garlands and candles. But the mantles to me are like the Christmas enhancement of the home, and especially if your tree's close to the mantle. This color is all over the place. And what I'm bringing it in is because it's gonna pop that mantle. I'm only gonna bring a few in, but look at how it just pops. Intimidating when you see them pops the ribbon and blends it together. So we're blending the whole thing together, and it's such a gorgeous color. Gorgeous color. Okay, and we just wire that around just like so. Look at how gorgeous, and it's got that matte finish. Satin matte is what we call this. So it's got a satin finish to it, and it's matte, so we're contrasting the shiny ornaments. That's why your eye moves and it blends so beautifully. And we'll add one more over here. But isn't it pretty? See how it brings out the foliage? And it's just flowing, 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 flowing. And then, you guys are like, is he done yet? These are gorgeous. So these have, you're gonna see a lot of iridescent, pearlized finished colors. That's really trendy for this year and next year. And so I'm gonna go ahead and hang this on here. And I'm gonna hang a couple close to each other. And we're gonna do groups of 2. Over here on the ends. So it's real pretty. And we'll do one over here. And we just want anything drippy and beautiful, okay? I've got these over here going on the end. We're just gonna hang it right on that bead. I still need to cut this guy, but instead, I'm gonna do a reverse roll, and I'm gonna pleat it, and we're gonna do a croissant roll. And then we're gonna pull it. Okay, just like that. So again, we can roll it, just like a croissant, Brad. Roll it, 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 roll it. Look at that. And if you want, you can use a stapler or pin and fasten it. Okay, makes it pretty. Everything is about the ending detail and the tailoring of the ribbon. Okay, which is important. And then I've just got a few festive ornaments that I'm just gonna put in here that are like a caviar bead covered glitter ball. That's what we call it. Micro glitter, laser glitter, and caviar bead, okay? And that will pop that shine. Just a couple things, not that you need more in the garland because it doesn't have enough already. And then a few more of our goodies here. Thanks, Michael. So I'm gonna anchor this left one over here, put one over here on the end. Let me go ahead and just hook this right here. And then, now this is fun. So instead of draping these, I insert these and I twist them down in the wire, They're fine in their own. You can wire them in. But I want to give a different dimension because this is such a great garland and it has thickness to it. So I'm just going to place them in like popsicles. Okay? And then you can just attach them with wire. Okay? And since we have one more of those, I'll throw it in. Okay, and here's a space for it right over here. Why not, right? Might as well. Okay. And we can fasten this with this beautiful fastener. Okay, so now the reason I didn't add those lights in, I'm going to show you why. When we have pre-decorated garlands and they're full of lights, we tend to cover our lights, including the trees. Now at Aldik's trees, they have so many beautiful lights, we don't have a problem with that. But we add a lot of lights and it is important. That's part of the holidays. So when I'm done decorating garlands and mantles, I take an extra set of usually the rice lights like this we have here, and I'll lay them over the finished product. And you won't believe the difference. And it's easy. And then all of a sudden, you have an extra element of glowing to your mantle that you wouldn't have had because you've covered a lot of the lights with the product. Everyone owns their own stuff. Everyone has their own thing. I love it when my customers just bring it all out. They usually cover their pool tables because they're fancy pants. And then they cover the pool tables or dining room tables and just lay a bunch of, and I say, bring me everything so I can see what you have, and then we can group, because everyone has favorite things. Or you can buy new stuff from Aldik, which I'm sure you all have and have your favorite things. So we want to anchor from left to right. We'll do our deer over here. Aren't they great? Mom and her little baby. And then, now I use old coffee mugs, anything to elevate. I have a bunch of, glasses that I buy at the 99-cent store. I spray painted them gold. Big water glasses, small water juice glass. I painted them all gold or silver for elevation. Or you can use a ribbon bolt. But I mean, to anchor things. So for here, I'll do this. For these smaller ones, I do. Just go get those glass vase, cheap glass, juice glasses and water glasses. Take a spray paint, a flat matte gold, or a flat cap, and then you have elevation. So I'm going to elevate, and it really looks good. So we can do that over here. In fact, we can do that by these guys, here, here, and here. And of course, these are all safe if you have kids, and if someone's getting a little too drunk and they're drinking and they don't tip it over and burn your mantle down, because I've seen that happen. These are awesome. And we have some other great characters for you. Now, I'm just gonna throw this out there. I think these are the cutest things. The unicorn. I mean, what child doesn't want a unicorn? So I'm gonna put him over here. But I really love these guys. So, I know, they're just so cute. And they, will be next to the candles that's safe. And we have them in 2 sizes. So fancy swans. I mean, like I said, Aldik's got the buyers, Michael and Maida and everybody, they just do such a great job. I'm always surprised because I don't get to see everything at the end. I come in but you could be next to Mom. How's that? Yeah. Thank you. Happy Thanksgiving and Merry Christmas. Thank you. Thank you.